This video is about how to solve higher order differential equation by the method of undetermined coefficient. So if you have a case like this, function of x is equal to x to the power m and imaginary part, then your trial by p will be like this. I will explain you what is this. Suppose if you have a function t on your right hand side, then your trial by p will be at, which is a is any constant plus t plus b. So if you have t square, then your trial by p will be at square constant plus t square plus bt plus c. And if you have cos t or sin t, in both cases you write cos t plus sin t. Now if you have t and cos t like this, t cos t, then your trial by p will be the combination of these both, at plus b cos t, at plus b sin t. Now please come to our question, which is y double dash minus 4y minus 12y is equal to 90 square cos t. I let this equation number 1. For yc we have an old method, which is this. Now our yc will be c1 exponent to the power 2t plus c2 exponent to the power 6t. For yp, trial yp, as you can see that we have 90 square cos t on our right hand side. So our trial yp will be this, at square plus bt plus c sin t plus dt square plus et plus f cos t. Now we have to take first derivative. So I took first derivative over here. Sin t will be cos t and this whole term will be like this. Then sin t is like this and this whole term will be 2at plus b. Thus do the same thing over here. Now take second derivative like this. After this I simplified it like this, cos t 2at plus b plus cos t 2at plus b. I wrote it 2 cos t 2at plus b, and here minus sin t 2 dt plus e minus sin t 2 dt plus e. I wrote it here minus 2 sin dt plus e. Now we have first derivative and second derivative. So put in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 will be like this. This whole part is y double dash, this whole part y dash, and this simply y is equal to 90 square cos t. Simplify it. Please be careful in simplification, otherwise it will curse you. Now this I simplified it more here. Now compare coefficients. First we have the highest power t square, so t square cos t. So minus 13d cos t square minus 4a cos t square is equal to t square cos t. It will be cancelled by these two and this will be cancelled by this. So minus 13d minus 4a is equal to 1. Now our equation will a is equal to this. Now compare the coefficient of t square sin t, which will be minus 13 sin t a plus 4 sin t d is equal to 0. After simplification it will be like this, 13 a upon 4. Put the value of a in this, which is minus 13d minus 1 upon 4. So I got the value minus 13 upon 185. Now put this in A, and now we have A also, which is minus 4 upon 135. Sorry, 185. Now compare T cos T. So I compared it, minus 13e plus 4a minus 4b minus 8d is equal to 0. Now after simplification, my equation will be a is equal to 4b plus 8d plus 13e upon 4. Now compare the coefficient of t sin t. Now minus 13b minus 4d minus 8a plus 4e is equal to 0. Now our equation will be like this. Now compare these two equations like this, and after simplification I got the value of b and then e. Now by comparing the coefficient of cos t, 13f plus 2b plus 2d minus 4c minus 4e is equal to 0, then I got this equation. Now sin t, so I put this equation in this, the value of c. Now after simplification I got f is equal to 0.035. Now I put this f here, b, I know the value of b, d and e, so I get c. Now my yp will be this whole term. This is a, this is b, this is c, this is d, this is e, this is f. Now for answer, you know y is equal to yc plus yp. Our yc is yc1 e to the power 2t plus c2 e to the power 6t plus our yp, which is 9 minus 4 upon 185 t square plus 1204 upon 6845 t minus 0.04 sin t plus minus 13 upon 185 t square minus 24 upon 1369 t plus 0.035 cos t. This whole term is our answer.
I hope you like my video. If you like it, then please hit like and subscribe it. Thank you.